Wish you very good morning, kids. How are you all? I hope you are fine and safe at your home. Myself, Anusha Narang from Shiv Jyoti Educational Group, Kota. Kids, I am back with a new topic, places of worship. Kids, as you are the student of KG class, you have so many friends in your class of different religions. Some of them go to temple, some of them go to mosque, and some of them go to church. People of different religions have different religious places of worship. Means अलग अलग धर्मों के लोग प्रार्थना या पूजा करने के लिए अपने अपने धर्म स्थानों पर जाते हैं. तो इन धर्म स्थानों को हम कहते हैं places of worship. So come with me. I'll take you to the different places of worship. Let's come and visit. Kids, students of different religions study in my class. I'll introduce you to some of them. Ramesh is a Hindu. Hindus worship in a temple. The Ramayana and the Bhagavad Gita are the holy books of the Hindus. The temples have idols of gods and goddesses. John is a Christian. The Christians pray in a church. They assemble in the church on Sundays to pray. It is called service. The Bible is their holy book. The priest reads from the Bible during the service. Gurjeet is Sikh. The Sikhs pray in Gurudwara. Their holy book, the Guru Granth Sahib, is kept there. The priest in the Gurudwara recites the Gurbani, sings of the Gurus. The Sikhs take part in Kirtan, that is devotional song, and seek the blessings of their Gurus. Sami is a Muslim. The Muslims pray in a mosque. The Muslims offer namaz 5 times a day. The Quran is their holy book. The Muslim women pray at home. All these children belong to different religions and have their own places of worship. All religions teach us to love and help each other. So we should respect all religions. So kids, now we will learn to identify places of worship from our book. So kids, now open your GK and conversation book, page number 33. Mention the date and class book at the top. So, let's start with me. Places of worship. Now the question number 1 is WHERE, where DOES does a HINDU, Hindu, WORSHIP, worship. Where does a Hindu worship? Now the answer is a HINDU, Hindu, WORSHIPS, worships, IN a TEMPLE, temple. Where does a Hindu worship? A Hindu worships in a temple. A Hindu worships in a temple. This is the picture of a temple. Now come to the next question. Question number 2. WHERE, where DOES does a MUSLIM, Muslim, WORSHIP, worship. Where does a Muslim worship? Now the answer is a MUSLIM, Muslim, WORSHIPS, worships. IN a MOSQUE, mosque. a Muslim worships in a mosque? Where does a Muslim worship? A Muslim worships in a mosque. This is the picture of a mosque. So, Muslim worships in a mosque. Come to the next question. Question number 3. W-H-E-R-E where D-O-E-S does a S-I-K-S Sikh W-O-R-S-H-I-P worship. Where does a Sikh worship? The answer is a S-I-K-H Sikh W-O-R-S-H-I-P-S worships in a G-U-R-U Guru D-W-A-R-A Dwara. A Sikh worships in a Gurudwara. Where does a Sikh worship? A Sikh worships in a Gurudwara. So, this is the picture of a Gurudwara. Now, come to the next question. Question number 4. W-H-E-R-E where D-O-E-S does a C-H-R-I-S-T-I-A-N Christian W-O-R-S-H-I-P worship. Where does a Christian worship? The answer is a C-H-R-I-S-T-I-A-N Christian W-O-R-S-H-I-P-S worships in a C-H-U-R-C-H church. A Christian worships in a church. Where does a Christian worship? A Christian worships in a church. So, this is the picture of a church. Where does the Christian worship? A Christian worships in a church. Now, come to the next question. Question number 5. W-H-E-R-E where D-O-E-S does a P-A-R-S-E-E Parsi W-O-R-S-H-I-P worship. Where does a Parsi worship? The answer is a P-A-R-S-E-E Parsi W-O-R-S-H-I-P-S worships in a F-I-R-E fire T-E-M-P-L-E temple. A Parsi worships in a fire temple. A-G-I-A-R-Y Ajari. A Parsi worships in a fire temple or it is called Ajari. Okay, we can call it Ajari also. So, this is the fire temple. Okay, now come to the next question. Question number 6. W-H-E-R-E where D-O-E-S does a J-A-I-N Jain W-O-R-S-H-I-P worship. Where does a Jain worship? The answer is a J-A-I-N Jain W-O-R-S-H-I-P-S worships in a J-A-I-N Jain T-E-M-P-L-E temple. A Jain worships in a Jain temple. A Jain worships in a Jain temple or we can call it D-E-R-A-S-A-R Derasar also. It is called Derasar also. Okay. A Jain worships in a Jain temple or Derasar. Now let's revise all these things again. Where does a Hindu worship? A Hindu worships in a temple. Where does a Muslim worship? A Muslim worships in a mosque. Where does a Sikh worship? A Sikh worships in a Gurudwara. Where does a Christian worship? A Christian worships in a church. Where does a Parsi worship? A Parsi worships in a fire temple or aviary. Where does a Jain worship? A Jain worships in a Jain temple or Derasar. So kids, learn to read and identify places of worship from your book GK and Conversation, page number 33. Bye bye. Have a good day.